Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man, and I'm back. Things are somewhat back to normal, and I am ready to make some soap. So this evening I will be making an all-natural soap. I'm going to be using the colors that are traditionally in camouflage soap, although I'm not doing the actual camouflage theme, just the colors. I'll probably do a drop swirl if all goes to plan. For the green, I will be using spirulina powder that Renee sent me. For brown, I'll be just using a generic brand of cocoa powder. For the black, Nurture Soaps activated charcoal. And for the white, sort of off-white, the batter will just be uncolored. And I'll be fragrancing this with Brambleberry's lemongrass essential oil. Enough said, let's make some soap. This should be fairly simple. Hopefully we'll go all to plan. There's no water discount because there's no titanium dioxide in this, so should be limited risk of glycerin rivers. So let's start by getting a light emulsification and seeing how things go. I'll divide this into 4 containers. They don't have to be measured. Eyeballing it is good enough. As close is good enough. We'll scrape the residue out of this pot because I'm finished with it. So let's line these up and get our colors in, and then our fragrance, and we'll do a little blending and we'll pour it. So we'll start with our spirulina, and unlike a lot of plant-based natural colorants, I've used a fair amount of the spirulina, and it holds its color really well in cold process. It's stable. A lot of natural colorants notoriously fade or lighten. This spirulina holds up pretty well. And I will also be using cocoa powder for the brown, which also holds up really well. Now, my experience using this, it's really light at first, but after it gels, it really darkens. Of course, activated charcoal is great, but it also darkens more after it gels. There's a considerable difference in gelled versus ungelled. And then the 4th container will just be uncolored, just the natural. So let me stir these in a little bit. Alright, now I am going to hit these with the stick blender very quickly because it was a very, very light, maybe not even a full emulsification. And I'm going to hand stir the fragrance in. So far, we're holding up very well. So let's start the pour. Yeah, we're nice and fluid. I like that. Okay. Let's spray that with some alcohol to prevent soda ash. I will spray that again in about 5 minutes. Now you all know all this left over in here is going to go into an individual container to make like these. And I have a bunch of these. And next week I'm going to shave these down plus what's in here and make confetti soap. So that's all I have for right now. It is good to be back and be somewhat back to normal. So folks, I'll see you all tomorrow for the cut, and thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so 11 hours later, it popped out without incident. I can see my hand reflecting in it. Very slick, very shiny, just the way I like it. Let's cut it open and see what we have. It really got dark on me though. See how dark they all got? So here we go. Okay, well, it looks like camouflage, which is what I was going for. But I am really surprised at how dark it is. And the uncolored soap absorbed, I think, the colors of the others because I don't even see it. I should have gone ahead and put some TD into the uncolored because I can see little spots of it, but it's not showing up much. Okay, well, that is actually the intended effect. So I'm going to call it a success, and the pour went really well because everything stayed nice and fluid. So, hey, not exactly what I wanted, but I'm still calling it a success. It's good to be back. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you next week for some confetti soap. All right then, bye.